Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and pondered the possibility of life beyond our Earth? It's a question as old as humanity itself. Ever since our ancient ancestors first turned their eyes to the heavens, we've been fascinated by the idea of extraterrestrial life. It's a concept that has fueled our imaginations and driven our scientific endeavors. In our unending quest to answer this age-old question, scientists have discovered a vast array of celestial bodies outside our solar system, known as exoplanets. These distant worlds, orbiting stars light years away, hold the potential to harbor life as we know it. And not just any life, but civilizations, ecosystems, and stories untold. What if I told you that among the thousands of exoplanets known to us, there are 4 that show even more promise for life than our Earth? Intriguing, isn't it? Today we delve into the mysteries of 4 such exoplanets that show more promise for life than our Earth. First on our list is Kepler 452b, often referred to as Earth 2.0. This intriguing exoplanet sits approximately 1,400 light-years away from us, nestled in the constellation of Cygnus. It's about 60% larger than Earth, earning it the term super-Earth. But don't let the size intimidate you, as in many ways, it's strikingly similar to our home planet. Kepler 452b orbits a star much like our Sun, both in size and temperature, and its year matches ours quite closely, taking about 385 days to complete its journey around its star. This suggests a similar distance from its Sun, placing it squarely within the habitable zone. That's the sweet spot where conditions might just be right for liquid water to exist, a key ingredient for life as we know it. The environment is where things get really interesting. While we can't be sure without direct observation, models suggest that Kepler 452b could possess a rocky terrain and a thick atmosphere. It's even possible that this exoplanet experiences active volcanism. As we gaze upon this older cousin of Earth, we can't help but imagine what kind of life might have had the chance to evolve there. Could there be lush forests, vast oceans, or even intelligent beings looking back at us? Kepler 452b, with its Earth-like characteristics, certainly makes us wonder about the possibilities of life. And next up is Kepler 22b, a planet that sits comfortably within the habitable zone. This celestial body, located about 600 light-years away from Earth, is often referred to as a super-Earth due to its size, which is roughly 2.5 times that of our own planet. But size isn't the only thing that sets Kepler 22b apart. This intriguing exoplanet orbits within the habitable zone of its star, Kepler 22. This is the region around a star where conditions could be just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on the surface. As we know, water is a critical ingredient for life as we understand it, so the potential for liquid water on Kepler 22b raises exciting possibilities. Imagine a world with an ocean twice as vast as Earth's, or perhaps a planet covered in dense, water-rich forests. These are just speculations, of course, but they're grounded in the scientific potential presented by Kepler 22b's location and size. Moreover, Kepler 22b's orbit within its star's habitable zone also means it receives a similar amount of sunlight to Earth. This, combined with the possible presence of liquid water, makes it one of the most promising candidates in the search for extraterrestrial life. The intriguing characteristics of Kepler 22b keep our hopes alive for discovering life beyond Earth. Now, let's venture into the TRAPPIST-1 system, a unique family of 7 exoplanets. In the constellation of Aquarius, 40 light-years away from us, lies the TRAPPIST-1 system. What makes this system so remarkable is not just the number of planets within it, but the fact that 3 of them, TRAPPIST-1e, F, and G, reside in the system's habitable zone. This is the Goldilocks region around a star where conditions might be just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. TRAPPIST-1e is the most similar to Earth in terms of size, density, and the amount of radiation it receives from its star. This suggests the possibility of an Earth-like climate, which could support the existence of liquid water. Next, we have TRAPPIST-1F, a water-rich world with an atmosphere that could potentially contain hundreds of times more water than Earth's oceans. Lastly, there is TRAPPIST-1G, the largest planet in the system, with a size and temperature similar to those of our home planet. The presence of liquid water is a key ingredient for life as we know it. Hence, the potential for liquid water on these 3 planets speaks volumes about their potential to support life. With each new discovery, we inch closer to the possibility that we might not be alone in the universe. The TRAPPIST-1 system, with its trio of potentially habitable planets, offers not just one but three opportunities for the existence of life. Lastly, we explore the newly discovered KOI 5715.01, a fresh hope in our quest for alien life. This exoplanet, tucked away in the vastness of space, is a beacon of intrigue and potential. KOI 5715.01 is about twice the size of Earth, making it a super-Earth, a type of planet common in the cosmos but absent in our solar system. Its location, approximately 2,000 light-years away, may feel distant, yet in the grand scheme of our immense universe, it's practically a neighbor. The planet resides cozily in its star's habitable zone, a region also known as the Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to potentially exist. Water, as we know, is a fundamental prerequisite for life as we understand it. This possibility of liquid water on KOI 5715.01 lights a spark of hope in the vast, often cold darkness of space. However, what makes KOI 5715.01 truly fascinating is its relative newness to us. It's a mystery waiting to be solved, a page in the cosmic story that's yet to be read. This obscurity only adds to the excitement, the thrill of what could be, and the potential discoveries that await us. KOI 5715.01, though a newcomer, holds immense potential in our ongoing search for life beyond Earth. As we gaze out into the cosmos, we are reminded of the vastness of our universe. Kepler 452b, our Earth's older cousin, Kepler 22b in the habitable zone, the TRAPPIST-1 system's family of exoplanets, and the newfound hope, KOI 5715.01, each hold a unique promise. They offer the potential for life, a chance to redefine our understanding of existence. The universe is vast, and these four exoplanets remind us that we are just beginning to understand the endless possibilities that lie beyond our Earth.